Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just thought I'd give you guys an update, show you what the LEDs look like. So I did all the blinkers, all amber LED. Picked those up from Screaming Chicken. It's just a laser LED that looks really clean, really good. Puts a modern touch on it. Fog lights, headlights, 6500K white LED, amber blinkers. I also did the brights in white, 6500 LED as well. Flip those on real quick. Super bright, much better look. I also added the Alpine ILX W650 double din stereo. The license plate lights are also white LEDs. Those I got from Diode Dynamics, and all the rest of the LEDs I got from Lasfit, the good folks over at Lasfit. Lasfit makes some really good quality products at a really good price, and their customer service is top notch. Had one issue with one of the bulbs, no questions asked. They sent me out another set. But yeah, I think everything looks really, really good. And that's about it, guys. Just wanted to give you an update or show you what all the LEDs look like. Oh, I got one more, sorry. Let me come back in real quick. Okay. I also did the reverse lights. These things are super bright, especially when you're trying to back up at night. I don't have a reverse camera yet, but the double din stereo that I put in has the connections for it, and I probably will throw one on eventually. Just kind of modernizing the old 4th gen Camaro. But yeah, I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. I just wanted to keep this short and sweet, show you what all the LED upgrades look like. And we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.